Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am making light and healthy rohu fish curry with some vegetables. In this recipe, I don't use onion, garlic and red chili powder. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get more notifications. Here I have taken 7 pieces of rohu fish. I have already cleaned and washed them. Now we have to marinate the fish pieces with some salt and some turmeric powder. Coat them very well. Okay, rest them for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, let me show you the other ingredients. Here I have taken some raw papaya, 1 medium sized potato and 1 green banana. I have already washed and cut them into long slices, as you can see. Raw banana has iron, prevents stomach problems, good for blood sugar. Actually, raw banana has so many health benefits. Also, raw papaya helps to weight loss, good for diabetes, boosts your immunity, good for eyesight, protects against arthritis. It has so many health benefits. When you will cut the raw papaya, just remove the seeds and skin, wash and cut it. If you are diabetic patient or if you don't like potato, just skip it. You can add some more vegetables, whatever you like. And we need 1 medium size of tomato puree, 1.5 tablespoon ginger and green chili paste. I added 4 green chilies here, and I have taken 4 extra green chilies, whole green chilies, and 4 pieces of lemon leaves. This is scented lemon leaves or Gandharaj lebu pata. Actually, this scented lemon leaves is available in Kolkata, but I have this lemon plant in my backyard, so I just picked some lemon leaves, but it's optional. And we need half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, pinch of Bengali garam masala. I will add the Bengali garam masala's link end of this video. Salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 bay leaves, 1 dry red chili. I will remove the red chili later. This is just for good flavor. And 1 teaspoon pachforon. Pachforon is Bengali spice. We make pachforon at home with 5 types of seeds like fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and nigella seeds. We take all the seeds equal quantity, and I will use mustard oil to make the fish curry, but you can use any cooking oil, it's not an issue. Okay, turn on the gas and heat up the pan. Pan is hot. Keep it on medium heat. Here I am adding mustard oil, about 3 tablespoons. Once oil is hot, fry the fish pieces. We need shallow fry only. And cover it. I will fry the fish pieces in 2 batches because I have taken 7 pieces of fish. Flip the other side and cover it again. Fish fry is ready. Take out of the pan. Let me fry other fish pieces. Our fish fry is ready. Let's make the gravy. In the same oil, I am not adding more oil. In the same oil, I am adding 1 bay leaves, 1 dry red chili and 1 teaspoon pachforon. Now I will add all the vegetables one by one. First I am adding raw papaya, green banana and potato. At this point I am adding turmeric powder. Now I am going to keep the flame on high, it was on medium. Fry the vegetables for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, before add the tomato puree, remove the red chili, add tomato puree Now add ginger and green chili paste. Today I am making this fish curry without onion, garlic and red chili powder. I don't use red chili powder, onion and garlic all the time. I am using just green chilies only. Now add coriander powder, cumin powder and salt to taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon salt only because we already marinated the fish pieces with some salt, so do not add too much salt. Now keep the flame on medium and saute it for 2 more minutes. Now add some water to cook the vegetables. Green papaya takes to cook long time, so we need some more water. I am adding 1.5 cup water. This fish curry should not be very thick. Now cover it for 2 minutes only on high heat. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Now add the fried fish pieces one by one. And add the lemon leaves. These lemon leaves makes good flavor. Add green chilies. Now cover it on high heat for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Let's check the gravy. Now keep the flame on low. Before add the garam masala, check the papaya if it is cooked. Yes, it is. Papaya cooked perfectly. Now add the garam masala powder and mix it gently. You don't need to stir it. As you can see, the gravy's consistency should be thin. Now switch off the flame. Let's dish out. Healthy and tasty rohu fish curry is ready. Enjoy this fish curry with steamed rice. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.